This week at Haas has been one of the best of my life. Although the work has been hard and challenging at some points, it has been worth it.
To give everyone an idea of just how much fun we've had, everyone will tell you what their favorite parts were. Ladies and gentlemen, the blue meatballs.
I think my favorite part about this whole experience was collaborating with my team members and participating in the competitions.
My favorite thing about this week was getting to know the rest of my team and working on all of these cool things.
My favorite part about this week was just interacting in our little nest of nerds.
My favorite part was learning how to come together and work as a team, because teamwork makes the dream work.
My favorite thing about my week at Haas was visiting the mission control.
My favorite thing about this week was seeing all the teams work together and create this awesome mission to Mars.
My favorite part of this week was on Apollo night when we went to speak to Mil Heflin about his career at NASA.
My favorite part about this week was listening to Sarah Scholl, a life support systems expert, talk to us about water purification on the ISS and how we would have to improve this and many other processes in order to be able to go on a mission to Mars.
My favorite thing about HAS was meeting all the NASA engineers and learning what they do.
My favorite thing about this week was meeting all the people that work at NASA.
During this interview, I learned about the life support systems aboard spacesuits.
One of my favorite parts about this week was the lander challenge. Before the competition, we got together and designed the lander under a budget constraint. On Thursday night, we put it together and tested it by throwing it off of the third floor of a building. My team and I both had a lot of fun in this competition.
My favorite part of this week was getting to see all of my ideas come to life.
At the end of the program, each team presented their research in a preliminary design review. Gray team covered why we were going, red team covered how we would get there, white team covered how we would survive, and blue team covered what our mission would be. Our specific subtopics were the search for life, rovers and robots, and spacesuit requirements.
At the end of such an amazing week, I guess I'd have to say that the most important lesson our team learned was that when you come together as a group and work as hard as you can achieve such amazing things.
This group made me excited that they will take great care of our future.
And we'd like to give a special thanks to the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo, our NASA, the University of Houston, and most importantly, the state of Texas.